Hi all, in this tutorial we will work on custom notification interface for WatchOS. So let's get started. Let's add a new file, SwiftUI view, that name would be notification view, and so we have to add the body. So I have already added some stuff over here, so we will add image and then title and then the message. So we will have to declare these three variables: title, message, and this city data, which we already have cities data, and we will use that cities data over here, right? Then I also updated this name, but let's update it for now. Circle image. So okay, and then so we have this notification view. Then we have to declare a notification controller which would receive the notification. So let me add a new file for notification controller. So this is a notification controller. For notification controller 2, we need to declare these three variables, right? So for notification controller we will use class notification controller, and then wk user notification hosting controller, right, which will use next notification view that we declared few minutes back, right? Then we have to declare same the variables over here. So we have these three variables over here. Then we have override body, right? Notification view, this min, and then we have did receive method for the notification. So this is, and then notification view title would be title, message would be message, and city data. So we have this. Now we have to import SwiftUI and import user notifications. So we have to import this. So now our this view is ready. Now we will add a notification payload file. So let's add a new file, and this time a notification simulation file. So I will add this notification payload. For this also I have already defined this APNS structure. So this is APNS structure for this. Now I have to check this bundle for the WatchOS. So we have this bundle identifier. So okay, this is same. So now we are nearly done with this, and now what we need to do is we need to just declare the notification in the content file. We have to just ask user for the notification access. So task, not this one. So we have task, and then in this task we have user notification first of all we will have to import user notifications, and then user notification center dot current, and then try await center dot request authorization with options. So options can be alert or sound, and then batch. So these three. Now build it and try to run it on simulator. So first of all we will run it in the device. So see, it would ask me for approval of notification, so I allowed the notification. Now what we need to do is we need to just drag and drop this payload on the watch face, so we will see our notifications are working. So we need to make sure that we have the same simulation target as our bundle identifier. Then we have to make sure of this did receive method, this index, all this stuff. Yeah, thanks. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos on SwiftUI and skilled learning.